Okay, so this is my electrical box that I've built for a customer. He requested to have a portable box which he could insert into his van that he's building right now, and just plug everything into it and have a central power system. I've got two 6-volt AGM batteries tied in series to make 12 volts. And right here I've got the plug-in for the converter, which is a 30 amp AC to DC converter. And what that does is when you plug it into a 120 volt socket, the converter charges the 12 volt batteries. So what he can do with that is he can hook it up to an extension cord, and he'll charge those batteries super fast. And then the blue guy right here is a 1000 watt Pure Sine Inverter, which he can use to power his AC devices on the go. So he doesn't have to be connected to anything. He can use this inverter to power his TV, his computer, even a circular saw or a table saw, which actually I just ran, which runs really well. This right here is the air exhaust for the converter. So when the batteries are really dead and you plug it in the converter and it really puts that power into those batteries, this fan will be used to cool it off. Also, what we got here is we got a 500 amp shunt, which acts as a metering device for this little guy right down here, which is a Trimetric 2025A battery monitor. And basically what it does is it tells you what's going on with your system. So right now I've actually got the solar panel plugged in, which is a small 30 watt polycrystalline solar panel. And I've got it plugged into this guy right here. It's kind of just like a little device I rigged up for him so that he could use a regular extension cord to plug in his solar panel and then plug it into this box to charge these batteries up when there's no AC power present. So as you can see right now, it's charging at 13 volts, almost 13 volts anyway. And what the Trimetric is doing is it's measuring how many amps are actually going into the batteries right now. So as you can see, we got 1.9 amps right now. So that right there is all fine and dandy. And what I haven't completed yet is this little guy right here, which is a terminal connection for a key, which will be also connected to the alternator connected to the customer's van. So when he plugs this whole box into his unit and then turns that key, it'll connect his van's batteries to these batteries, and as he's going down the road and his alternator is producing power, it'll also charge these batteries. So as you can see right now, we've basically got a three-way charging system for these batteries. One for absolute mobile, which is the solar, secondary mobile, which is the alternator, and when it's not mobile and you can actually plug it into a house, that's what the converter's for. And these batteries are good for 210 amp hours, and he should be able to have a pretty decent system with this. So if we follow this yellow line, pardon the mess, I've got a really dirty shop right now. This yellow line goes out to this little 30 watt polycrystalline solar panel, which he can just pack along wherever he goes, and whenever he wants to charge up these batteries, he just aims this for the sun, plugs in a generic extension cord, and away he goes. That's basically all there is to it.